Hey there, everybody. What is going on? Sean here with Zero to Income. And today, let's talk Brilliant Directories on mobile. Yes, if you're a Brilliant Directories user and you're wondering, do they have a mobile app? They do. All right. And what we'll do, if you'd like to follow along, we'll jump over. We'll show you how to install it, how to log in, watch for a hiccup. I'm going to show you a hiccup, and then we'll look at what you can do with it. You can't do a ton with it, but if you're looking to utilize the Brilliant Directories mobile app, they have it. There's a handful of things you can use on it. Let's jump over and check it out. All right, so what you would do is you go on over to the App Store and do a search for Brilliant Directories. I've already done that, and there's Brilliant Directories. I'm going to actually install it, and we're going to go ahead and click on Install. It's going to come up and let me know. Actually, you don't have to do a double tap. I actually had this on the phone just a little while ago and deleted it because I want to walk you through the complete setup and some of the kind of the hiccups that I ran into and how to resolve issues if you do run into hiccups. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on Open. Now, if you get to a point, all right, so we're opening up Brilliant Directories. I don't need notifications, and maybe that's where one of the hiccups was because I clicked on Don't Allow, and maybe that's why it was crashing. I don't like having a whole lot of notifications. So if you do the same thing and you click on Don't Allow, right here now, I'm going to click on Continue. Okay, we got the blue or the teal Continue button down here. Teal is the color that they're using. Here's the first hiccup that I found. When you click on manage websites here or here, the app just completely closed down on me over and over and over again. All right. So let's click on it and see if that happens for me. If it does, if it closes down on you and just crashes, what I would recommend is swiping up and just closing the app down completely and then reopening it. And then that's when I found that the clicking on the manage my websites option actually worked. Okay, so if you're running into that where the app's just closing down and not giving you the option to log in, close the app completely down, open it up, come back here, click on manage my websites. See, it just crashed. Okay, so I'm going to swipe up, going to close. See how that's still open there? Going to close it down. Going to close everything down. Okay, and now I'm going to go back. I'm going to open it up. Okay, I'm opening it up again. And now what we're going to do is once again, we're going to click on manage my websites. And this is where we're going to actually log in. This is essentially what you want to be able to see without having to do what we just did as far as closing things down. So here you go ahead and use your login email and password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so once we're logged in, we are at our dashboard. What you're seeing here, Canadian Vacations, is the website that Dana and I started. We've got 4 different websites that we're using on Brilliant Directories. Canadian Vacations is our newest one that we kind of use for testing purposes, and that's what you're looking at right now. We have 9 members that we didn't import. If you'd like to see that video, we have a video on YouTube. Search for @directory websites. That's our channel. And we have a video where we import members. So this is the dashboard that we're looking at on the Brilliant Directories mobile app. There's not a whole lot that's to this app at this point, but for general type stuff, you can go in here. Right upper corner is the home button and the menu. You can click on that and open it up. You can go and view your members. Okay, we can go and click back and do get a revenue snapshot. Again, this is brand new. We're not going to have any revenue. Forms inbox. Okay. And then from there, we can also go into site activity and get an idea of site activity. All right, so that's what we've got at this point. I say we. Okay, I'm not an employee at Brilliant Directories. But that's what we as customers of Brilliant Directories have as far as the mobile app is concerned, available to us. So there you go. We've gone over the Brilliant Directories mobile app. Now, again, Dana and I, we are affiliates for Brilliant Directories. There is an affiliate link down below, and if you use the coupon code 0 to income, all caps, it's going to give you 30% off. Now, again, get on their mail list. You don't have to purchase right away. And what Dana and I recommend is get on their email list. The marketing department is amazing. They're going to reach out to you. They'll let you know when they have specials. The specials are significant, and you can save some money if you just wait and then purchase when they're offering a special. If you'd like to just jump in and go and not worry about waiting, you can do that too. Coupon code works whether it's on a special or not. So there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody.